Hello everybody, welcome to the world of Max, where we do a bunch of crazy shenanigans. It has been an insanely long time, and I know I say that literally every single video I publish that isn't a music song video thing. I'm gonna be back. I hope this time I don't decide. I don't have any ideas, so I'm not gonna film anything. But anyways, today we are unboxing. What is this? What type of figurine? This Miku figurine. Just got this today at Hot Topic because apparently they just came in. This is the Rainy Dance Hatsune Miku figurine. So anyways, with that being said, let's get started. Hello everyone. Gotta get my hydration in. Anyways, hello. I already said my intro. Okay. This is the Hatsune Miku box. Look at this box. It's a beautiful, amazing box. I got my scissors here. Let's cut this open. Let's just get right into it. Whoa. Whoa. There we go. So there's only one piece of tape. Never mind, there's two pieces of tape. That would have been nice to know. Never mind, there's three pieces of tape. And I'm just going to cut right into the box because I don't care. And it's empty. Wrong again. Ta-da! Do I not have to put her together? I don't have to put her together. Oh my god. It's a miracle. Smells nice in there. Look at that empty box. Okay. That's putting down. I do have to put her together. Okay. Here is her. The one, the only, Hatsune Miku, without hair.
Hi, I'm Hatsune Miku. Miku, you can call me Miku. Blue hair, blue tie, hide it in your Wi-Fi. Open secrets, anyone can find me. Cue the music, I'm running through your mind. I'm thinking Miku, Miku, ooh-wee you. 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 I'm on top of the world because of you. I'm wanting to do what's for you. I keep singing along to all of you. I'll keep singing along. Miku, Miku, what's it like to be you? 2020, hiding in the rear view. Make me, break me, make me feel like Superman who can do anything you want.
Anyways, okay, next up we have... I don't know what this is. Gotta get my left-handed scissors, because I'm left-handed. I'm so cool, even though it looks like I'm right-handed in the camera. What is this? Oh, it's an umbrella. There we go. It's an umbrella. See, look at that. Beautiful. Next, this is her stand. With the name Rainy Dance. Whoa. Rainy Dance. Okay. Umbrella stand. Miku. And now probably time for the worst part of this entire experience because it was with the Gundam figurine. Play the clip now. Play it now. Editor. Play the video now of me struggling with the hair. Oh, don't tell me that. Of course you have the video somewhere. I want you to play the video now. I know it was like a year ago when I made that, but play it now. Small one. Goes back in the head. Pause. No! No! Everything off. Thank you. Okay. One long piece of hair. Two long piece of hair. Okay, so let's put this together. This looks very easy and simple compared to the other. She is fully naked. Okay, not weird. Does it tell me which one's which, or do I just slam it on there? This one looks like it goes to the left side. Oh my god, my desk is a mess. Don't mind any of this. Okay. Boop. Right there. Perfect. My dad's watching Queso if you can't hear him. Okay. Maybe like this. Like that? Or what the Oh, there we go. Okay, there we go. Ta-da! Okay. Where does this go? Box. Where does the umbrella go? Oh, it goes on her dress. It goes somewhere on her dress, but it won't tell me where exactly. What? Oh, it goes on her hand right there, so I have to take off this hair. Ah! And then it goes right here. Right? Like that. Perfect. Okay. And then the hair just goes there. Ah! Way easier than the Gundam one. Oh my god. And then this goes like this. Never mind. This goes like this. It's completed. Wow. Okay. This is the Miku. This is the Rainy Dance Hatsune Miku figurine. Ta-da-da! Ta-da-da-da-da-ba-da-ba. It looks very cute, very beautiful. And boom! 7 minutes and 30 seconds is all I can spare. Okay. Ta-da! See, look at it. Okay, with that being said, thank you everybody so much for watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell so you're notified when future videos come out. It helps the channel grow and makes me very happy. Thank you so much to 730 subscribers. Is that where we're at right now? I'm close. 725 subscribers. Holy shit, thank you so much. I know I've been posting a lot of music. I love making music. I have my whole thing set up. I got the AI singing my voice, not my voice, singing voices, and then singing my lyrics, and then I make all the music myself on Soundtrap. Boom! This is awesome. Very awesome. Okay, that being said, goodbye everybody.